Hello everyone. I'm going to present a very short video based on the online training which I attend and receive from Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI, with the support of HDFC Bank during COVID pandemic period. First of all, I am Nimsri Bhutia, working as a graduate teacher mathematics, and my qualification is BTech in electrical engineering and B.Ed, and my teaching experience is almost 14 years in the government school. Talking about my state, I am from a very beautiful state called Sikkim, and the name of the name of my district is South District, whose headquarters is Namchi. South District is one of the one of the least populated, whose population comprises mostly Nepali community. So the spoken language of this district is Nepali, but there is other ethnic groups which includes Lepchas and Bhotia community. South District is mostly covered by the forest land, and we have a Menam Wildlife Sanctuary which was established in 1987, and total area of this district is 750 square kilometer. South District is considered as one of the most advanced and industrialized district in the state of Sikkim, and it is also known for Sikkim tea because tea is grown near its headquarters Namchi, place called Timi. Here in this districts we have many more places to visit, especially for the tourist. Like we have a Buddha Park, Chardham, Samdukchi, Timi Tea Garden, Tendong Hill, and many more monasteries. Now talking about my school name is Sri Pratham Government Junior High School, which falls under Yanging Circle, under Yanging BSc. And we have almost 79 total students in our school, and they all from rural area. If I have to talk about the problem faced by me while teaching, particularly my subject maths, is that our students lack many skills like understanding, creativity and interest on learning mathematics is very low. Therefore, even a minimum level of learning outcomes cannot be achieved by the students. Also, most importantly, challenges we are facing is that there is a lack of awareness and guidance from the parent side due to the first generation learner problems. And most difficult part of teaching mathematics is that they lack interest in maths, as they think that the maths is a hard subject as compared to other subjects. So it can often hard for them to relate math with the real life situations. Another most difficult challenge we are facing is due to the lack of infrastructure in this government school like us. We still do not have science and math lab. As a result, we are unable to deliver various kind of learning experience to the students. Students even could not explore various things on their own and unable to deal with the scientific fact due to the absence of this lab. But we as a teacher are trying our level best to fulfill and putting all effort to fulfill this gap by providing best quality teaching to the students. Talking about ZIIEI training, which is Zero Investment Innovation Education Initiatives. This training really provides us many useful and innovative ideas, teaching skills, activities which certainly help us in our teaching learning process. With this training, I could learn how we as a teacher can make our students comfort for learning through the different teaching techniques. In these trainings, our trainer, Mr. Swayandip sir, deliver many new innovative ideas and explain how we can use available resources effectively for providing a better learning experience to the students. I think most of the teachers who attend this training through a webinar have learned a very skill, activities, new innovative idea, creativity, implementation procedure, which will surely help in improving the quality education in their school. I think we all teachers are fully motivated by this online training. How we can teach our students without using extra resources. I mean, we understand the teaching with the zero investment and its implementations. Therefore, I am deeply thankful to our teacher educator Mr. Soyandeep sir for providing us this fruitful and effective ZIIEI training. On top of that, he is a good trainer as he is very supportive and friendly in nature throughout these webinar sessions. Even he personally contact us many times for any doubt regarding training. Once again, I want to give huge thanks to him for making us capable and equipped for the teaching in our teaching learning process during this COVID period. Now talking about IPCT, that is Innovative Pathshala Training. It is really very useful and innovative tools for transforming quality education. This training really help us to tackle any hindrance in teaching learning process. It is very effective as this training focus only activity based learning and practical teachings, experimental teaching method based on zero investment innovations. We are so much benefited through this training that we can achieve better learning outcome of the students in our school. Innovative Pathshala training really equip us how can we make a holistic development of the child, even how we can deliver high quality education to the child, and also how we can bring community and school in a single platform for the betterment of the child. Selection of role model. Yes, I feel that our school can be selected as a role model school because of many reasons. School have a very healthy learning environment. Locality of our school is very peaceful for all kind of activity. Parents' participation is also appreciable. As the school lies in the rural area, so it has a very beautiful landscape as compared to other schools in our surroundings. All teachers are capable to handle all kind of activity because they all are trained. They are fully trained. Student capabilities can be improved for all kind of learning in any environment. But at the same time, there is certain hindrance and drawback which we have in our school. That is, students' enrollment is very less. Poor connectivity from digital world. Lack of a complete infrastructure, like earlier I told that we do not have lab. Also, library and other good school buildings and other facilities are absent in our school. But I feel if the department look over this matter very seriously, then our school can be a role model school in our surroundings. Last but not least is that I am very much thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI and SDFC Bank for the knowledge they provide to us through this effective and fruitful teachers online training throughout the lockdown period of COVID-19. Lastly, if you like my video, please click on like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.